Today, I'm going to share with you the incredible benefits of 5 fruits that can repair and rejuvenate your nerves from within. First up, we have the mighty blueberries. Packed with antioxidants and vitamin C, these tiny powerhouses can help protect your nerves from damage and improve cognitive function. Next, we have the juicy oranges. Rich in vitamin C and folate, oranges can support nerve communication and help reduce inflammation, keeping your nervous system in top shape. Now, let's talk about bananas. High in potassium and vitamin B6, bananas can help regulate nerve impulses and support healthy nerve function, making them a delicious addition to your daily diet. On to the delightful strawberries. These vibrant berries are packed with antioxidants and vitamin C, which can help reduce oxidative stress and promote nerve regeneration, keeping your nerves strong and resilient. Last but not least, we have the creamy avocado. Full of healthy fats and vitamin E, avocados can nourish and protect your nerves, promoting optimal nerve health and function.